Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make carrot cake. So let's get started. I've got here 2 cups of self-raising flour which I have sifted, 2.5 cups of grated carrot, 3 eggs, 1 1/3 cup of white sugar or you can use brown sugar, 1 cup of oil, half cup of sultanas which I have rinsed and drained, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder and half cup of walnuts which I have chopped. And for my icing, I've got here 4 cups of icing sugar which I have sifted, 50 grams of soft butter, 3 tablespoons of orange juice, 250 grams of cream cheese at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of orange rind and 6 walnuts which I have chopped for decorating. And you will also need an electric beater, a cooking spray, a round tin lined with baking paper and sprayed with some cooking spray, a spatula, a cake stand and a cake board. Preheat your oven at 160 degrees if it's a fan-forced oven and 180 degrees if it's a conventional oven. Take a big dish, add eggs, oil and sugar and beat it using an electric beater until creamy. Add self-raising flour, baking soda and cinnamon powder. Use a spatula to gently fold it in until combined. Add carrots, walnuts and sultanas and gently fold it in using a spatula until combined. Pour the cake batter into the prepared cake tin, spread it evenly and bake it in a preheated oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Let it cool in the tin for 10 minutes before taking it out of the tin and putting it upside down on a wire rack and letting it cool down completely. To make the icing, take a dish, add cream cheese, butter and orange rind and beat it until combined using an electric beater. Use a spatula to scrape the sides. Add 1/3 of the icing sugar and 1 tablespoon of the orange juice and beat it until combined. Repeat this until you have finished using all the icing sugar and the orange juice. Place it in the fridge to thicken slightly. You will need a cake board and a cake stand to ice the cake. If you do not have a cake board, then take a cardboard, cut it into a circle slightly bigger than the cake, line it with some foil and then line it with some plastic wrap. If you do not have a cake stand, place an inverted dish on the bench top, put a plate on top of the dish and then put your cake board on top of the plate. Once the cake has cooled down completely, place the cake on the cake board upside down to get a flat surface for icing. Place one hand on top of the cake, rotate the cake in one direction by moving your hand as you cut your cake in half. Lift the top half of the cake and put it aside. Now take some foil, fold it in half and push it under the edges of the cake. To ice the cake, get the icing out of the fridge and spread 1/3 of the icing on the bottom half of the cake. Place the other half of the cake on top and spread the remaining icing on top and the sides. Carefully pull the folded foil out from under the edges of the cake. Sprinkle some chopped walnuts on top of the cake. Put it in the fridge for 10 minutes to set before serving. My best and moist carrot cake is ready and you can serve it to family and friends. Leftover cake can be kept in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.